Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Biscoff Cupcakes. If you don't know what Biscoff is, it's basically a spread made from lotus biscuits. So to make these cupcakes, we're going to place the brown sugar and the flour and the bicarbonate of soda into a bowl, and you're going to sieve that to make sure you get rid of all the lumps. And this is a brown sugar sponge, and we're going for the all-in-one method. So next you're going to chuck in your butter and your eggs, and you want to beat that until it's light and fluffy. If you want all the details of ingredients and quantities, they will be listed in the description box below. You don't want to over mix this because you'll develop the gluten and you get chewy cupcakes, so just until it's combined and until it's light. You're going to spoon that into your cupcake liners, and we're going to bake those at 180 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. Now to make the buttercream, we're going to place the butter and the Biscoff spread into a bowl, and I used about half a jar of this spread. And you're going to beat that with an electric mixer for a good 10 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then we're going to sieve in the icing sugar, try not to spill as much as I did. And you're going to do this about half at a time, so sieve that through. And I like to use a spatula to combine the two ingredients before I go with the electric mixer, because especially with the hand mixer I find you just get a massive cloud of icing sugar. So once they've combined together, you're going to take the mixer and you're going to beat that for a good couple minutes so it's really light and fluffy until we go in with our second batch of icing sugar. Now you could have by all means do this with a stand mixer if you wanted. So once we've combined the two ingredients with the spatula, you're going to whip that for a good 10 minutes now to make sure it gets really light and fluffy. Now I'm going to pipe these onto my cupcakes using a star tip. We're going to pipe around, come on top, and then finish off with a little flick. To top these, I'm going to go on with some more Biscoff spread. I'm just using a piping bag to pipe the lines going across. And then the final finishing touch is going to be a lotus biscuit, which I've split in half. Now as I was doing this, I found that when you pipe your swirl, make sure you pipe it really tight, because if you spread it out too much, when we add on that biscuit later, it's going to push all the icing. So when you do your swirl, make sure it's tighter together, add on the spread, and then as you see, when you put the biscuit in, it pushes the icing out. And that's literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.